How to add a paywall to a Squarespace video page. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to create subscription plans or paywall to a specific type of page. So it is going to be a general page for everything. Basically you are going to modify it to whatever you want, to a paid blog or a paywall for a video page or whatever, and then you're going to have it only like that. What are we going to do is to head over squarespace.com, sign in for an account, and then we are going to see the website. Once you are here, we are going to head over the pages. And as you can see, this is going to be a member site paywalled. So I'm going to add another member site. We are going to click on main navigation, click on plus button, click on more and member site. We're going to create it. So we're going to select, for example, this one. I'm going to select the simple one. We're going to name it video. So we're going to have here the video. We can go ahead and start adding or editing the website. So I do not need an appointment here. Basically, it is going to be this page. Do not need this section. So all of these sections are going to be not needed. Like this. I rather let it empty. Not book an appointment or something like this. But I'm going to add a section which is going to be a video section. Videos. You can go ahead and head over here, add different videos like this. And this is a video section. We're going to click on exit. And we're going to head over here, selling tool, click on add pricing plan, create one. You're going to put here the subscription, for example. And then you're going to put a description, the benefit included that you're going to mention, that are going to be mentioned on the paywall, of course, the pricings, as you can see, fixed amount, whatever, one payment, two payment, wherever, add payment options, subscriptions, and the included products, which is going to be the videos. We are going to click on create. Boom, this is the paywall. This is the paywall page. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.